Hey, don't come. Be nice, but pull back before she jumps down, Eli. Eli? Eli, you're gonna make her jump, see? You don't listen. That is your problem. You don't. Stop it. You don't listen. Get him away from over there. Eli, get down, be a big brother, and get him away from that area.
What's going on?
I don't know, but Eli's about to give him his third whipping for tonight.
Liam.
Why are you putting him way over here when you could put him over here, away from the stuff?
Over here.
You know, you're told to do something and you do the direct opposite.
You said to do that.
No, I said to put him over here, away from all of this. Where's my cat? Oh, now you end up putting him back over here. You see, if you would have just listened the very first time. I'm telling you, I cannot stand obstinate kids. You're nice. God damn it, you just don't know how to play. Eli, don't touch her.
That's moving on.
Move.
I wanted to pet the cat.
Don't move, Eli. Oh. I'm not mad at you. It was your brother that I'm correcting. I know, right? I know.
Trying to eat the pet.